video. Today we're gonna check out another plugin virtual instrument, and this time it's from Ueberschall. It's the Massive Bundle, which is currently on sale right now at the audioplugins.com. Please do check out the links below. So this is a massive bundle wherein you have the indie rock, the indie pop, the 80s new wave, the glam rock, the punk rock, and so on and so forth. Similar to what we have been doing here on the channel, where I'm going to show you how I use this on a track, and after that one I'm going to show you the different presets so that you'll be able to know what's in store for you if you're going to buy this massive bundle, which is on sale right now at audioplugins.com. Check it out. So checking out the track that I have right now for the song demo of the Elastic Massive Bundle right here, and I have two instances of the Elastic Tree. One is playing the indie pop and the other one is playing the 80s punk new wave track or new wave library. So as you can see, there's an overlap right here on track 1 and track 2, which means that you could mix and match the different guitar, beat, bass, and any instrument, and its DAW sync is retunable to whatever tune you like. So which means that all the libraries are interchangeable and you could use whatever instrument you feel like using. So let's dive into the track. So that was a song demo that I just showed to you using two different libraries but different instruments right there, mix and match them. And actually the other guitar playing on the second track was I was using the 12-string electric B library. So right now we are going to the different presets of the Ueberschall Massive Bundle. Let's dive in. So as you can see, you can mix and match all of the different samples. And obviously, I cannot go through all of them right now, since that the massive bundle contains 23.6 gigabytes of 100 construction kits and 9,470 loops and samples. So it's indeed a massive bundle. So please do check out the links below so you'll be able to get it on audioplugindeals.com. So hurry up. It's on sale right now for $84.99. So we'll see you again next time.